Good morning, students. Now we are going to do HS2ndyr Commerce CMST class. We have started binomial distribution, and binomial distribution we have completed up to question number 6 also we have done. Now we want to do question number 7 of this exercise 2.4. 7 is really, it is a little bit tough, so exercise 2.4 question number 7 we are going to do. 7. I am going to read this question. Show that the middle term of x plus 1 by x whole thing to the power twice n is 2 to the power n inside second bracket 1 into 2 into 3 into 5 dot 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 twice n minus 1 divided by n factorial. That sum we are going to do. Here you see that x plus 1 by x whole thing to the power twice n. We have to find the middle term of this one. Student, here you see that here power is twice n. Therefore, so number of terms is twice n plus 1. Why? Because we have seen that what will be the power? Just one we have to add, then it will be the number of terms of this expansion. So s twice n is the power, so number of terms will be twice n plus 1. You see, it is an odd number. Suppose 3 odd number, then its middle term is 2. 5 odd number, middle term is 3. Now how get this one? 5, shall I write 5 plus 1 by 2, then it is 3. Now think of 7, middle term is 4. How we can do? 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2. So this way, so therefore middle term is twice n plus 1 by 2. Just that is twice n plus 2, that is n plus 1 term. N plus 1 term of this expression is our middle term. Now n plus 1, we know r plus 1 term, so automatically similar way we can do. N plus 1 term is twice n cn, r plus 1 ncr, so it is twice n cn, a to the power n minus 1, so here to it is a is x, twice n minus 1. Then b to the power, that is 1 by x to the power n. So this is our answer. So twice n cn, it is formula is factorial twice n, factorial n, factorial twice n minus 1. This is x to the power n, this is 1 by x to the power n. So we can cancel these two. Factorial twice n, we can write like that, twice n minus 1, twice n minus 2, twice n minus 3, and finally we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Factorial n, factorial n. Now, just little we are going to clean. It is a big calculational one. So from that line, if we take all the odd number together, odd numbers, that is this one, this, that, and finally 1, 3, 5. So if we write twice n minus 1, twice n minus 3, and finally 5, 3, 1. Factorial n, factorial n. Then remaining term twice n minus 2, like that. This is within one bracket, multiplication just, then twice n minus 2, then twice n minus 4, and finally 4, 6 into 4 into 2. So this is the isolation we have done. Now this one we can reverse 1 into 3 into 5 dot dot dot, and last term is twice n minus 1. Here from each term we can take 2 common. Here 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, here also. Then what we get? Actually here n terms, so 2 we can take like that, and remaining term n minus 1, n minus 2, and finally 3 into 2 into 1. Now see, this is what? N factorial. So n factorial cancel, and we can get our required term is 2 to the power n, then our this 2 to the power n into inside bracket 1 into 3 into 5 twice n minus 1 whole thing divided by n factorial. So just you have to think like that. Here we have taken 1, 2, there another 2, there another 2. In this way we have taken 2 as n times, so automatically it will be 2 to the power n. This gives what? N factorial, and that cancel, and ultimately we get our requisite, that one, that middle term is this. So we have proved it is a very important, I think it is important sum. It came in 2016 also. So for examination point of view, it is important. Now we are going to do next sum, that is question number 8. Question number 8, it has two parts. It is 8.1 is like that. Show that there is no term containing x to the power 6 in x square plus 1 by x square whole thing to the power 19. It is given in 2019. So they say there is no term in x plus 1 by x square whole thing to the power 13. Now we have to check. How to check? General term r plus 1 term, here it is 13CR formula, NCR. Then a to the power n minus r, a to the power x to the power 13 minus r. Then b to the power only r. So 13CR x to the power 13 minus r. This if we take, it is 2. Then if we withdraw this bracket twice r, it will go in numerator, it will be x to the power minus twice r. 13CR x to the power. Now if we add the power, because base same, 13 minus thrice r, this term is, if we take x to the power 6 term. Now if we take, if 13 minus thrice r is equal to 6, then you see that 3r is equal to 6 minus 13. So we get thrice r is equal to minus 7. So r becomes 7 by 3. Now in the expansion we found first term, second term, third term, like that, integral values, natural values. But we never get this type of, that is fractional terms we cannot say. First, second, third we can say. But 7 by 3, that is 2 point something term is not there. So automatically, which is not possible. Which is not possible. As it is not possible, therefore there does not exist x to the power 6 term in this expansion. So we can say hence proved. So we have proved the condition that yes, it does not has any this one. So then you can do 8.2, it is similar like that. Now we are going to do question number 9.1. That is, it said if the coefficient of x square and x cube in 3 plus kx whole thing to the power 9 are equal, then find the value of k. It is important, it is given in 2019. So I think now what we have done today, it is for examination point of view very, very important. So we concentrate on this one. So 9.1 we are going to do 3 plus kx whole thing to the power 9. They given, that is in question they have given that x square term, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of x cube in this one. Now student, you see that in first term of this expansion there will be no x term, second term only x will come. So it is third term. In third term of this will give the coefficient of x square. Fourth term will can give the coefficient, that is x cube can give. So third term can give this one. So we can write third term is implies 9c third term. So it is 9c2 3 to the power 9 minus 2. Then we will have to write only k to the power 2. So it is the coefficient of x square, that is in third term what will be the terms attached to the x square. These are the terms. Now for x cube we have to search for fourth term. Fourth term is 9c3 3 to the power 9 minus 3 and finally k to the power 3. So this can give the value of k. So of course here k we have to find. 9c2 can be written as 9 into 8 by 2 3 to the power 7 and k square. 9c3 can give 9, 8, 7, 3 into 2, 3 to the power 6 into k cube. Now 9, 8, 2, 2 we can cancel. Not only this one we can cancel, only 3 will left. So if I write here 3 into k square, then here also 1, 7 and 3 and it is k cube. So what we can get, cross multiplication, 9 by 7 is equal to k cube by k square. So ultimately k is what? 9 by 7. As k cannot be 0 because this can give one conditional that k should not be 0. So students, that is one to some similar type sum, two sums I have given. This is for your homework. So I expect you will do. So give your attendance in your comment box. That much for today.